Memphis polar vortex here.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, don't get out here, man, trying to jump in your car. I promise you. You gotta be in a truck, or you need 4x4. I done seen a couple of cars, just a couple, but they struggling. Ooh, we them cars struggling. I got a minivan, and I could barely get out the driveway with the minivan. Just giving y'all a little, this is right here, Spotswood and Highland, y'all. I'm just giving y'all a glimpse of what is going on out here. If you can't get there, or if it ain't important, I advise you to just kick on back, man. Roll up a blunt and stay the fuck inside. Cause hey, this shit ain't no joke out here. Not today. This ain't even snow. This is just ice. This shit is ice. Shit from last night to today, and the shit's still coming down. Man, you can't come out here, man. This car stuck right at the driveway. That's how messed up it is out here. These folks can't even get out their driveway. I'm just mobbing. You know what I'm saying? I took the smooth route. Put that shiesty mask on. Put them gloves on. You know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do. Put them gloves on, put that shiesty on. You can come on out. But try to drive your car. If you in a low-sitting car, don't try that shit. You a fool to try that shit. You ain't in no truck, or you ain't in no van, or you ain't got no 4x4. Your ass getting stuck. Ain't that right, man? You might as well walk.
Your van's getting stuck.
Your van getting stuck. I drive a van. I couldn't even get out the driveway. Yeah, you can't do nothing playing this shit though, man. That's all you can do. Playing this shit. That's about it. That's all you can do. Don't be trying to come out here driving, man. You's a fool. I feel for you though. Now here go somebody coming out right now. Let's see what happens. Let's see what they can do. Okay, he coming. He taking it slow. He taking it slow. He getting it. He getting it. He got it. That's a Lexus. That's a Lexus right there. Yes, indeed. He got it. He didn't put his car in 4-wheel drive. I just watched him. Yes. Yes, he got it in 4-wheel drive. See, you got to be in 4-wheel drive. What's up? Hey, DJ Blaze. What's up, Blaze? Yeah, I'm out here in this shit, man. Yeah, what's up, Blaze? Yeah. Yeah, Raquel. I'm being safe. I'm walking. You know, I'm out here walking, baby. Hey, you can't even, I couldn't drive to the store. Ain't no way. I tried. I couldn't even get out the driveway. That's how fucked up it is. I'm talking about I couldn't get 20 feet out of the driveway. You know what I'm saying? And I know I got 4-wheel drive. Man, that shit didn't even work. That shit didn't even work. I promise you. Hey, man, say, man. Memphis, Tennessee, snow vortex. Yeah, the polar vortex is here. And this shit is real. I'm telling you, this shit is real. Hey, sis. Hey, that's sis. I'm just out here getting a little footage for the public. You know, just to give them a heads up. Hey, man, shelter inside. If it ain't important, stay in the house. Don't come out here. You know what I'm saying? Don't come out here. Yeah, man. It's real. Yes, indeed. Hey, but my fingers are getting cold. Hey, I'm finna end this motherfucker. Peace and blessings to all y'all. Dig it.